Have you read our latest blog post? Today, let's make a super easy tear-free shampoo. You only need 3 ingredients: surfactant blend, distilled water, and preservative. First, weigh your distilled water. You can substitute distilled water with hydrosol. Next, add the surfactant blend. Mix the 2 ingredients well. You can use an overhead stirrer if you are making a larger batch. Finally, add the preservative and mix well. Be sure to check the pH before and after adding the preservative, and adjust if necessary. You don't have to worry about the bubbles. It will settle out by the next day. The complete formula is available on our website. In the next video, we will show you how to add fragrance to your tear-free shampoo. Please click like and don't forget to follow us for more videos.